Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing. Although a different kind of unboxing. I've never done an unboxing like this. This is a watch that is returning to me, a watch that I had loaned out to a couple different guys, actually quite a few different guys for a tour video. So let's just get this thing open and see how the watch looks now. This is the Undone Basecamp Cali dial, Cali blue dial. It has a plexiglass crystal, so I'm curious to see how the crystal has held up. I don't have much experience with plexiglass crystal watches. Actually, I do have one, but I haven't worn it that much. So anyway, it still feels fine. I don't really see any issues with it. I don't know if the guys that had it, I don't know if they wore it out and about or just for video or what, but yeah, anyway, it looks to be in pretty good shape. So this is a fun watch. I really do like the look and feel of plexiglass crystals, but I'm always worried about scratching them up real bad. I think this was a bi-directional, if I remember correctly. Yep. It's just a friction fit. No detents or anything in here. Kind of a vintage inspired dive style watch. I don't know if this was 100 or 200 meter water resistant. Yeah, 100 meter. So there we go. Pressure tested 100 meters. Undone 316L stainless steel. Case and back. And this has the Seiko NH35 movement. Yeah, so this should have a ghost state position to it. The second hand's already moving just from me handling it here. So first position, hand winding. The next position will probably be a ghost state. Yep. Not a big deal. Just can make sure you pull all the way out to set the time. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about the California dial. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, that's funny. I was turning the crown and I pushed the bezel here and the bezel's turning. So not for real diving use, but I don't know how many people use dive watches as diving instruments anyway. So this is the hybrid type strap. It's canvas or Cordura on the show surface here, and then the backside is kind of leather. Oh yeah, right there it says Cordura. So let me get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. Just a quick little, well, re-unboxing. I already unboxed this when I first received it. Anyway, nice to get it back. I don't know how long it's been out of my possession for, actually. That's the problem with having so many different watches here. Yeah, just one keeper. Used to having two keepers, or usually there's one right next to the buckle, and you have another one that you move around. So anyway, here it is on my 6.5 inch wrist with 52 millimeter wristband. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this watch or California dials. I think it's a good looking watch. So anyway, as I like to say, thanks for taking the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.